Hello everyone, my name is Janice and this is the Mindful Moment. The ability to calm and focus the mind can be an important distress tolerance skill to have for when we cannot control the situations around us. For today's mindfulness exercise, we're going to be incorporating some art with some deep breathing techniques that can help bring awareness, focus, and relaxation into our day. We will need 2 large pieces of paper, like these. The larger the paper, the better, because that allows you more space to be creative. And we're gonna be using whatever drawing medium you have at home. It can be like pencils, markers, crayons, pastels, whatever you wish. However, I will encourage you to try to use color because I want for you to think about colors that kind of you associate with breathing, a color that represents how you're feeling right now, or maybe your favorite color. Okay, I'm gonna be using pastels, and I chose the color blue for my exercise because I usually associate breathing with a color that is very soothing, calming, like the ocean waves. Okay, feel free to pick 2 shades of the same color because we are gonna be doing this exercise twice. Okay, so gather your materials and let's get started. First, let's start by getting familiar with our paper. Try to feel the edges. Get a sense of its dimensions and feel the texture. Now grab your drawing medium and you're gonna place it at any point in your paper, okay? Now this can be a little bit challenging, but you can do this with your eyes closed as well and just focus on the line, all right? Now visualize your breath as a line. Take a moment to think about your breathing and think about it if it was a line, how are we breathing? And try to translate this line into the paper, okay? So here we go. Give yourself some time to try different types of lines. But continue to notice your breath. Think of how your breath changes. Think about slowing your breath. Or think about making your breath a little bit faster. Try to also change the quality of the line. And notice how your breath changes with it. All right, this is our first representation of our breath. All right, so now get a new sheet of paper and now focus on deep, slow breathing for relaxation. Let's take a minute to take a very deep breath through our nose. We can hold that breath for 1 or 2 seconds and then allow yourself to exhale all the air out. Let's try that one more time. Take a very deep breath in. And exhale all the air out. Again, draw lines that represent your calming breath, right? Keep breathing slowly and keep taking very deep breaths as you represent that breathing into the paper, okay? Let's start. Inhaling in. We pause for a second and then we let all the air out. Continue to inhale and exhale slowly. Taking very deep breaths. Again, you can try to do this with your eyes closed if you're feeling daring. Keep noticing your breath. And allow the line to follow. Try to leave the pencil on the page to create a continuous line. Continue for a few minutes to let yourself relax. Also think about like the calming and soothing sensation of the motion of your hand as you're drawing this line. And whenever you're feeling relaxed, you can stop. Alright everyone, so that was it for mindfulness exercise. I would love to hear your thoughts about this experience, and definitely if you notice like any changes in your breath as you were trying to like be more mindful and focus on it. You can probably tell from my video that it became like the lines became like really slow towards the end, so it was like actually like very relaxing. You can use these lines as reference and keep playing with them. You can add some shades and more color and make it like your own little piece of art. So have fun with it and keep tuning in for more mindfulness exercises throughout the week. Alright? Bye!